Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Imani here. So today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm going to be using a lot of different products and we're going to go head to toe, skincare, makeup, everything, okay? I will be using the Juvia's Playtime Vanessa palette. I'm so excited about this. You all, this palette is a banger. You know, if this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications. Join the Beat family. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna do head to toe skincare and makeup. I started with the Dr. Dennis Grow Alpha Beta Peel, and this is the first time trying this, so I'm testing it out and I'll update you guys. I love a good cleanser. It felt really good on the skin. It's supposed to be pore perfecting, so let's see what happens. Then I'm gonna go in with the Believe Witch Hazel Herbal Extract Toner. Then I'm gonna go in with this Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. So y'all, Fenty Skin is coming up with the eye cream. They just like revealed it on their Instagram, and that was the next product that I wanted to see from them. You know, review coming soon. So then I'm gonna go in with the Stubborn Acne AM treatment from Neutrogena. I had a campaign with Neutrogena and I used this and I actually really like it. I have not had a pimple probably since like November. This has benzoyl peroxide in it, so this is helping to keep that acne at bay. I do get pimples sometimes, but I haven't had one in a long time, and I've been using that consistently. I really like it. It has a PM to go with it that has retinol in it, so I've been using that as well, and my skin has been looking really good. So then I am going to go on to the lips. So Fresh gifted me a bundle of some lip products. So I have the lip polish, right? So this is what it looks like on the inside. Then we have the Sugar Advanced Therapy Triple Action Serum, Lip Serum. And I've been wanting to try this. You can't really see because it's white, but I've been wanting to try this. I have the Wonder Drops, which I like to do before I do like liquid lipsticks. But this one is supposed to enhance volume, smooth, and define. So I'm interested to see how this works. Dispense a drop and spread it over clean lips and lip contour in the morning and night. Can be used alone or under any advanced lip treatment. So we also have an advanced lip treatment in Rosé. This has SPF 15 in it. I've been loving lip balms that have SPF in it. So this is the Rosé one. I love this. I have one of these already. And then we also have the Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream. Y'all, this is a fave of mine. Definite fave. It smells so good. I love everything from the rose line from Fresh. Actually, today is Sunday and I did my self-care Sunday with the rose mask from Fresh. So if you go to my Insta, I have it up on my highlight, so you can check that out. I love it. It's very moisturizing. It's like calming. It's not scrubbing or doing anything crazy. It's just like a mild, nice face mask. So let's start with the lip scrub. So I really like Fresh's lip products. They are kind of expensive, y'all, but I think they are worth the splurge. It leaves your lips feeling super smooth, right? So we've scrubbed up all the dead skin, and now I'm gonna move on to the serum. Okay, so it looks like that. Ooh, wow, feels nice. It kind of feels like the Wonder Drops, but more moisturizing, because the Wonder Drops are not moisturizing at all. They kind of just prime your lips, you know, and get it ready for whatever you're putting on above it. This feels nice. Okay, I'm liking it. And then I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Rosé lip cream, just a little bit, not too much. So while I'm doing my makeup, my lips will be moisturized. I just got the Dr. Dennis Grow Hyaluronic Marine Oil-Free Moisture Cushion from Dr. Dennis Grow. I always say his name incorrectly, but I did a campaign with them on my Insta for their Alpha Beta Body Exfoliation Towelettes, and I was gifted some other products from them. So it's nice to try out some new things. So this is how it looks on the inside, and I'm just gonna take some. Okay, it's really lightweight. It doesn't really have a strong smell. I'm not really smelling anything at all, to be honest. Okay, a nice lightweight moisturizer for the daytime, no SPF. All right, Dr. Dennis Grow, this is feeling good. I'm gonna continue on using this. This is the first time that I'm trying this. So we have some first in here. So then we're going to be putting on Black Girl sunscreen, Make It Matte sunscreen for the face 45 broad spectrum, ultra sheer and fragrance free. So your Black Girl sunscreen has a matte version of their sunscreen, and I wore it yesterday. I'm gonna do like 5 pumps. That's how it looks. It's kind of runny. I believe this is a silicone formula for sure. It feels like super silicone-y, like super silicone-y. Like it feels oily, but it's not oily. Like, look at how my hand is just gliding on my face. So it's giving you a real silicone feel, which is kind of uncomfortable. I ain't gonna lie. I need to just use it some more. It's uncomfortable in a weird way, but it's definitely smoothing out your skin. So I feel like my makeup is going to go on really, really nicely today because it's kind of like prepped with this film over it. So it gives kind of like a glow, but not in a greasy way. As you know, the original Black Girl sunscreen gives you a full glow. I don't usually use that on my face. I use it on my body because that glow is real. And this is going to kind of dry down a little bit more matte. So as we go along, you'll see how my skin mattifies. So I'm gonna just do my eyebrows off camera and we'll be back to do the eyeshadow. We're gonna go into this palette, y'all. Oh, I love this palette so much. So I think I'm gonna do like a pink and orangey look. So I'm gonna start with Stush. Now these shadows are so pigmented. They're nice. I'm not gonna use any eye primer because I kind of want this look to be a little softer. So I'm just taking Stush all over my crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of BSG, which is Black Skin Brown. Is it Brown Skin Girl? Yeah. I think it stands for Brown Skin Girl. And I'm just gonna deepen up my crease just a little bit, like nothing crazy. Then for the brow bone, we're gonna go in with Extra. Extra is such a beautiful shade. It's kind of like gold, but it also has like pink in it. So I love that about it. Also, I'm gonna get my brows laminated this week. I cannot wait. That's why I've been having it grow out. Yo, these brows need to be waxed ASAP. It is necessary. So I do a little brow bone highlight, but that definitely is accentuating the hairs, but I don't care. Okay, then we're gonna go in with Aqua, which is this like beautiful magenta pinky shade. Honestly, the only thing this palette is missing is a mirror, but I know Juvia's Place, they don't put mirrors in their palettes, which I wish they did because that would have just completed the game. But I guess to keep costs down, because you know their brand is very affordable, which I love because it's accessible to a lot of people. To keep that cost down, I think that's why they leave the mirror out. So you know, I'm fine with that. And then I'm just gonna blend out the edges of the pink with Stush. This is gonna be a heavy matte look. I don't think I'm gonna put any shimmer. Another thing that I like about this palette is that you could use just this to create your look. Like, I haven't dipped into any other eyeshadow palette and like I'm almost done with the look. So I got this mascara in my Ipsy box. This is Item Lash Snack. So I'm gonna try this on my lashes. The wand is so small and cute, and you all know I have baby lashes. So I think this is what I needed all my life, to be honest. Oh, I love this brush so much. This is what my baby lashes have needed. It's so like targeted. It's nice. I'm definitely gonna be using this on my bottom lashes, but I like to do that last. So let's just do the top first. I am obsessed with this mini brush. I wonder if the brush is small like this in the full size, because this is like a travel size or sample size. Look at my baby lashes, y'all. Aww. How freaking cute. Yeah, this eyeshadow, I'm loving it. Right, so we have a very soft, diffuse look, very much so Valentine's Day appropriate. Of course, if you don't want to do pinky already on Valentine's Day, definitely do you, okay? Like, I'm being very cliche with the Valentine's Day content right now, but if you want to be more edgy and do something more smoky, definitely get it on and poppin', sis. Get it on and poppin'. Okay, so you guys could see my skin doesn't look as kind of glowy as it looked before, and also to touch, it's dried down right now, so it just feels super smooth and looks very poreless. So I think that Black Girl sunscreen also helps to give you a poreless finish. I mean, silicone does that, and I believe, let me look at the ingredients. So it has avobenzone, homosalate, oxasalate, and octocrylene in here for the sun filters. And the ingredients list is quite short. It has aloe leaf extract, it has shea butter, it has coconut oil, dimethicone coarse polymer 3, yup, that's the silicone right there, isodecane, silica, It has squalane in it and also tocopherol acetate. So tocopherol acetate is the vitamin E. So that's the ingredients that is super short and sweet. Then I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15 in it. Now I was thinking I should use the one from Huda, but let's try Bobbi Brown. I think this will also be good. I really do like this foundation. It's not as full coverage as Huda, but it's still nice. It's definitely giving a skin-like finish, and we have the SPF 15 for added sun protection. Then we're gonna go in with my new favorite concealer. This is the Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline in the shade Tan. I want to do a nice contour, so I'm gonna take Ebony from Fenty Beauty, blend that in. And I really like this brush from Deck of Scarlet. Blend out the concealer, blending it into the contour. I really forgot how bomb this concealer was. I'm really happy I rediscovered it. Then I'm gonna take Mented Loose Setting Powder in Light Tan. Not really baking, you know, just pat it in. I know we're looking kind of dead, but when my oil starts to like seep in, we're not gonna look so casket matte. Then we're gonna take Mented in Yacht Life. And then one more thing from the Ipsy box for February is this company called Micellar. I think that's how you pronounce it. Their packaging is so sleek, and I got this Sun-Kissed Blush palette. Y'all, get ready for this. This thing is so beautiful. I kind of don't even want to touch it. So the packaging is like reflective. Look at how gorgeous this is, y'all. I feel like my camera is not even doing it justice. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do an unboxing on my Insta, so if you really want to see how this looks, come over there. Wow. So I'm just gonna swirl my blush brush in here and place that on my cheeks. This is gorgeous, and I don't even need to wear highlight because it already like has the highlight in it. Ooh, that is looking good. I like that. I love a product that is like multi-use like that, where you know you just put your blush on and you already have highlight on and you don't need to worry about that part of it. Actually, I'm gonna go back into the palette and just do my bottom lash line. I feel like I want to do pink and orange on the bottom lash line as well, so I'll start with Aqua, which is the pink. I'm gonna take that really close to the lash line. What I did on top I want to do on the bottom, right? And then I'm gonna go in with Stush, kind of blend that out on the bottom, so a very diffuse under eye. Alright, so let's finish up with the mascara on the bottom lash line. Oh, I know this was gonna be great for the bottom lashes because it's such a small brush, so the precision is amazing. Okay, for the lips, I think I'm just gonna use a Gloss Bomb Cream, the Fenty Glow one. Let's see. I'm not sure where I want to go with this, to be honest. So the eyes are like pinky, but I think I want the lips to be nude. I'm gonna line my lips with this Bite Beauty lip crayon in Midnight Rye. This is one of my faves to line my lip with because look how nice and deep brown that is. And then let's put Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb Cream. I feel like I should have gone with a matte lip, but you all, I'm obsessed with gloss, so I always go for gloss. Alright, so that is the look. Let me go change. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. This is the final look. I'm loving it, guys. This blush palette, it blew me away. I'm loving it. So this is my hair up. I just got my hair done yesterday, so it's a little tight. So yeah, it's giving me snatchage. Just added this pink dress and some jewelry from Ana Luisa, and I'm ready for my Valentine's Day dinner. Who's ready? Everything I use is gonna be in the description box below, so don't worry. Love how this look came out. This palette is currently sold out, but hopefully they bring it back because it's a banger. It is a banger, y'all. Look how pigmented. So if it comes back in stock, I would say run, not walk, to Juvia's Place website. Congratulations, Vanessa, on your collab. I didn't get any of the lips because I have like so many lip products. I just decided to get the eyeshadow and I wasn't disappointed. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. It's Lu.Beat on Instagram and The Beat Inc on Facebook. And without further ado, thank you so much for watching and have a great night, guys. Bye.